Thank you for viewing this brief Busibox tutorial. As you would have seen when you logged into the environment, you would have landed on this, basically a welcome page. You would have clicked on the top right tutorial and you'd be viewing this video right now. These video buttons on the right can be used for tutorial, educational, promotional purposes by the community owner or by their partners. And these videos can be as long or short as are required to deliver that particular message. In the center of the page, you would notice a news stream, much like any other social media platform, with content in them. Viewing any content item means just clicking the content item, in which you can then view the actual image, content itself. You may comment on it. You may like that content. You can find out more about what the content's about. You can like it on Facebook, and you can even share it on any of the social media environments. Every single one of these content items is, when created and put onto the platform, allocated to a category which we call information streams. It basically allows one to filter the information as a user that one wants to receive. So by clicking on the introductory tab, in this particular instance, there is only the information pertaining to that particular subject. When one initially registers, one is given the choice to deselect any streams of information that one does not want to necessarily see. As you can see, it's fairly simple navigating your way around the platform. On the platform itself, there are a number of navigation points. The top left is the page that you find yourself on, in this case being Busibox. By running the mouse over it, you also see other pages that you can belong to, or communities or groups that you can belong to. So in this case, it's Safa Football. To return back to Busibox, one simply clicks on the Busibox item and goes back to Busibox. Now, in order to join any groups or pages that might interest one, one goes to the Discover environment. And within that environment, there are any number of pages or groups that one can join. So one could join, for example, in the Safa Club, which I clearly have done already, or one can find the Nisa Speed Festival, for example. One can join the page. By joining the page, one gets this news feed, but then one can also, again, filter out the various streams of information pertaining to that particular community. To return to the main community, one just goes back to that page name. In the environment is quite a powerful search engine. One can search for anything that one particularly would interest one. The search takes place not just within the Busibox environment, but within the whole of the social media environment that is MyGeni, and your friends within both of those environments. The friends of friends inside your pages, whatever's going on in the public domain, and then even within Google, for example. So by clicking on Google, the Google results are also pulled through into the environment. One can also post information and content as is needed on. This can include text, web links, photographs, videos, or even SoundCloud clips. And what's nice is, apart from adding the content, one can put it into any interest groups that one might have, forums that one might belong to, and the social media environments one's a member of. Because Busibox is a specialized environment of MyGeni, does not negate the fact that you as the user can belong to the broader MyGeni community. Now, as a user, you have a number of drop-down feeds here out of your user ID, which allows you to do any number of functions. Clicking the home page takes you to you as an individual member of the broader MyGeni platform, where in this environment you can create interests that are not necessarily related to you as a community member, but to you as a broader member of MyGeni. And these interests then obviously pull news feeds into your main news stream, not only from the groups and the pages one might belong to, but from all of the subjects that one is interested in. Busibox, through MyGeni, also has its own loyalty and reward scheme, which can be monetized to suit any commercial partner. And this information or this environment, being a loyalty scheme, one accrues points through interaction. And that can be, as I said, monetized any which way you want to. It can be transferred, it can be turned into vouchers, etc. That entire commercial model is done on a case-by-case basis with relevant commercial partners. That's the basic overview of the Busibox environment. There's a lot more to it, but it is best discovered by exploring the environment yourself and registering yourself. Thank you.